Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my
Another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy cells in Excel as a picture. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to copy cell in Excel as a picture. At first, select anything. Now I am select the all data. Click and drag on our mouse. Then select the copy drop down menu, and we can see here the copy as a picture option. Now I am select this. We can see here the option is as shown on screen. Now I am click OK. Now you want to paste this, click the paste option, and we can see the copied is picture. You can save this, click right button and change the picture. Now we can see we copy cells in Excel as a picture easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.